Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. With you, I am home. You are my heart, my life, my only thought. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. Love conquers all. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love is not what you say, love is what you do. Love is the beauty of the soul. You are my happy place. Love grows with time. My heart beats for you. You are my sunshine, sun. Forever isn't long enough with you. You are my once in a lifetime. Love begins with you, love. You are my dream come true. Love is the key to happiness. My heart belongs to you. Your love is my treasure. You are the reason I smile, hehe. Actor far me. You are my sweetest addiction. Love is the most powerful force. You make my heart skip a beat. Love means choosing you every day. You're my happy place. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. Love is a journey, not a destination. You are the missing piece of my heart. Love is simple, pure, and true. Your love is like a warm hug. The best love is unexpected. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it with you. We loved with a love that was more than love. Love is not perfect, but it's real. My love for you never fades. Every second with you is precious. You are my beautiful destiny.